Finally, dude, coal. Let's go. Wait, diamonds. I mean, I don't really need diamonds, but I guess I'll take it. Wait a minute. What? Hold on. Get the frick out of there! Get the frick out of there! Oh! What?